Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your pictures on the Filto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the plus icon down below, and after that select a picture from your gallery. Then you should click on the filters button down below, which is the second option. And here you have a bunch of categories down below, such as trending, dream, vintage, nature, unique. So tap on the relevant one and then click on the filter that you would like to apply. As you can see, if you tap on it, you can adjust the filter by the help of this slide down below. If you are done with adjusting, click on the check mark icon in the right side. Tap on the photo and click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen to export your picture, and then you can save it to your gallery by tapping on the save photo button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.